My name is Chris James. I work for Duo Security as the data warehouse lead. Duo Security is a multi-factor authentication provider, as well as a leader in zero trust security. Data is vital to our business. It's the reason we exist, is to protect our customers' data, their systems, and ourselves. Before Snowflake, we didn't have any data warehouse, so we were trying to anticipate problems years in advance of where we were. We had a CIO that wanted to invest in getting us a data warehouse, predictably about 2 years before we were going to have a vital need for it. Now, choosing Snowflake was easy. We are a SaaS first and a cloud only company. Snowflake, with the offering and features, there's nobody else that can compete in the same space. The cost benefit compared to any other options and ease of use was far better than any other options we had. Compared to previous roles where we had data warehousing, Snowflake has an immense performance improvement while being in the cloud and ready to access at all times. Not having the burden of administration and monitoring uptime and replication has completely changed the way we develop and how we use our data warehouse across the company. Matillion's been amazing. We can develop at speeds I've never seen in a data warehouse application before. Our work with Snowflake and Matillion allowed me to single-handedly create and deploy out a data warehouse across our entire organization and bring new team members on as needed. Within the first week of us bringing Matillion into the organization, we had scheduled code running in our data warehouse. Compare that to any other solution where we would have to install, configure, and connect. It was not even comparable. With Snowflake and Matillion, you can try out an entire data warehousing approach with fast development, easy connections, with zero risk. Snowflake and Matillion make my job fun. It makes me productive, and it means that I get to say yes to the rest of the customers in my company when they ask me for something. We are able to scale for the next 30 years of our company's growth, and I have no concerns about our ability to do so.